Hey friends and wine lovers, Marc Supsic here. I'm a certified wine professional and a partner with Wine Still Sold Out. I'm really excited about rolling out this first tasting pack, mostly because it's about a wine and a region of the world that I'm super excited about. I've been there before and I can't wait to share this with you. So that being said, we're going to be talking about Malbec from Cahors. These two wines represent the true origins of Malbec, and I think it's something you're going to want to taste for yourself. I had the privilege of being able to see this part of France many years ago, and I fell in love with French Malbec, the food, and the people, of course. And hopefully this tasting pack will pique your interest enough to maybe even get you to go there and see it for yourself one day. This is a 4-pack of wines, so you're going to get 2 each of these beautiful Malbecs. This pack also comes with tasting notes for both of these wines. You're going to get this fun little placemat that I made for you personally, so hopefully that helps you learn a little bit. And of course there'll be the videos. The videos will be very short and top line. We try to keep it fun and brief, but they'll be like a live tasting together where we can walk through the wines and also some tasting tips too, so that you can get a little bit more savvy. And of course, I'll be sure to throw a couple of food pairing ideas your way and maybe even a recipe that you can use. So if that all sounds delicious to you, then head over to Wine Still Sold Out, pick up your weekly tasting pack for French Cahors Malbec, and let's get these bottles open and start tasting, all right? Cheers, I'll see you there.